Okay. Let's get down. Hello, welcome to Vita, day 27. This is the last week of Vita, and I don't know about you, but I have seen 2 videos so far of YouTubers that I follow organizing their 2,000 plus nail polish collection into rainbow order, just organizing them in general. Now, I don't have 2,000 nail polishes, as you see, but I'd say for somebody who's average, normal, I have a decent amount of nail polishes. So right now they are organized in color order, and before that I had them by brand, and then within the brand they were ordered by the rainbow. So I think I'm going to rearrange my nail polish for Vita today. But I know I'm gonna do it by brand, and then I think I'm gonna organize the brand by rainbow, but I'm gonna bring you on that journey with me. So that's what we're gonna do. So here we go. So I don't have anything on top here, so you only need to see this bit. So step 1, take everything down, put all of the people together. So let's do that. Okay, there we have it. It's newly organized. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!